channel. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different from what is usually on my channel, because with the sickness going around the world, the coronavirus in particular, everything is sold out at the stores. All the hand sanitizer, not just hand sanitizer, it's everything. It's toilet paper, it's literally bread, milk, eggs. It's literally, the shelves are wiped clean. But right now, what I want to focus on is making homemade hand sanitizer, because you can't find it nowhere. You can't even order it online right now. It's unavailable, because I've checked Amazon, I've checked Walmart, I've checked Sam's Club, I've checked everywhere, and it's unavailable to ship, at least for me right now. And there is a way you can make it homemade, and it's inexpensive, and it'll go a long way. So if you would like to know how to make homemade hand sanitizer, stick around. And then what you need to make home sanitizer, for one, you're gonna need a bowl, and you're gonna need a funnel for in the end to put it in a container of some sort. And then you're gonna need at least 71, I think it's 71 to 99% rubbing alcohol. I got 99, so this will work. But don't use 50%, because 50% doesn't kill as many germs. So you want at least the 99, 99 is better. So I got 99, that's what my store had right now, so that's what I have. And then you need aloe vera. Any aloe vera gel will do, any kind. It doesn't matter the name brand, but this is what we had at home, so this is what we're using. And if you would like a scent in your, any essential, oil essential will do. I have rose and lavender, happen to have it at home, so I figure maybe use some lavender, make it smell a little bit better than straight alcohol maybe. And what you do is you take your bowl and you take your measuring cup, and I'm going to double this dose. So the recipe calls for 2/3 cup of rubbing alcohol. So I'm going to add 2/3 plus 2/3. So I'm going to add 4 of these. Two, 3, 4. So you see how much that is right there. That's 4 cups of rubbing alcohol. And then I'm gonna add 1/3 cup of aloe vera gel right here. And you just wanna add 1 cup. So we would add 2 because we're doubling the recipe. And just make sure it's as even as you can get it. It doesn't matter if there's a little bit more, a little bit less. It's not really gonna make a difference, but you pretty much just wanna squirt that baby in there. And you wanna mix this, and if it's not, thick enough as like you would buy in the container, what you would do is you can add more aloe vera to it to make it a little bit thicker. The aloe vera is just in there to make it so your hands aren't dry. That's all it is, because pure rubbing alcohol on your hands is going to make them extremely, extremely dry. And the aloe vera will help prevent it from getting so dry. So you just stir this until it's all mixed up into the consistency that you think is good. And drops of lavender. This is what I'm using. You can use anything. It doesn't have to be lavender, but I'm just gonna add 8 to 10 drops or more. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, because it kind of comes out fast. But 8 to 10 drops is for 1. And I'm gonna take that so it doesn't get it all over my table. And I just have these containers. This is what I'm going to use for now. Have mixed everything and poured it in here. I don't know, we need to get new containers, but we will once we can get out of here. But right now, we all need to focus on staying home, staying healthy, if it's not necessary to go out, don't go out. Stay home. Right now, it's very important that no more people get sick, no more people die, and going out just to go shopping for unnecessary things is unnecessary. It's risking your health and other people's health. So together as a whole, we can fight this and we can get through this. We just have to continue to do what we're doing and stay home, and that's about what we can do right now. I mean, I understand if we need something, go out, but if we don't need it, like this, I had this stuff at home. Stores you can't buy it at, so you can make this yourself, and then that's it. So I don't have to go out to the store. And I have containers like this, but hey, it's hand sanitizer. It's going to keep me and my family safe, and that's it. Well, pretty much with this video, I would like everyone to stay healthy, and until the next video, guys.